So let us see how to solve this kind of problems. Wait a minute. Okay, here they are given d square minus 4d plus 3 into y is equal to 2x e power 3x. Okay, now what we need to do is complementary solution we'll do first. So which is nothing but d square minus 4d plus 3 into y is equal to 0 implies auxiliary equation is how much? M square minus 4m plus 3. Equal to 0. So implies how to solve this? M square, this can be minus 4 can be written as minus 3m minus m plus 3, which is equal to 0. If you take m common, m square, sorry, if you take m common, m minus 3, okay, minus 1 common, m minus 3, okay, which is equal to 0, implies m minus 1 into m minus 3. If you take m minus 3 common, implies m1 equal to 1 and m2 equal to 3. Fine. What? So therefore, complementary solution YC is how much? Is Vaishnavi, can you tell?
It's C1 e to the power x.
Yes. C1 e power x plus
C2 e to the power 3x.
yes. Good. Now particular solution we'll find. So particular solution is nothing but yp is equal to phi of x divided by f of d. Okay, so which is nothing but phi of x 2x e power 3x divided by f of d square minus 4d plus 3. Okay, so yp is equal to, I am taking 2 e power 3x outside. Okay, now inside bracket x will be there divided by how much we have to replace in place of d. Okay, so here a value is how much? First we need to identify. A means here x quotient. X quotient is how much? 3, right? So I'll get 3. Okay. D should be replaced with D plus A. So that means D plus 3. So replace that one. So d plus 3 whole square minus 4 into d plus 3 plus 3. So therefore, yp is equal to 2e power 3x into x divided by d square plus 9 plus 6d, okay, minus 4d minus 12 plus 3. Okay, so yp is equal to 2e power 3x into x by d square, okay, 6d minus 4d, you'll get plus 2d, 9 minus 12 plus 3, how much? 9 minus 12. 9 minus 12 is minus 3. Minus 3 plus 3 get cancelled. We'll get 0. Here we'll get x by this much. Okay. So therefore yp is equal to 2e power 3x. Okay. So x, we got x here. So how to solve this? By doing polynomial method. That means type 3 problems. So take it as equation 1. So I'll write it in the next slide so that we need to find x divided by x square plus 2d. That much only? Yes. So how to find? First write this d function in terms of increasing powers of d. So that means 2d plus d square is how much? This will be like this. X will write inside. First term divided by first term. That means x divided by 2d. So 1 by 2 integration of x. 1 by d represents integration. So integration of x. How much? X square by 2. So x square by 2 into 2 will get 4. X square by 4 will get. Fine. Now multiply with this, obviously you'll get x. If you differentiate it for twice, so 1 by 4 d square of x square. So 1 by 4 into x square quotient, 2 into 1, right? So 2 ones, 2 twos. So how much? 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 you'll get. So subtract it, you'll get 0 minus half plus 0 you will take. If it's 0 minus 1 by 2, you'll get minus 1 by 2. Now again. Here first term you take this by this. So that means minus 1 by 2 divided by 2d, which is nothing but minus 1 by 4, 1 by d of 1. So minus 1 by 4 integral 1, it is x. So here you can write it as minus x by 4. Okay. So now what happens? If you multiply with this, you'll get minus half. Next d square of x. So d square of x will be 0. So if you close it, 0 is the answer. And here you can write it as x square minus x divided by 4. So therefore, particular solution yp is equal to how much? 2e power 3x into, in the place of this you can write it as x square minus x divided by 4. So 2 ones, 2 twos, which is the answer as e power 3x by 2 x square minus x. Got? Now you can write general solution, which is nothing but y is equal to yc plus yp, where yc is equal to how much? c1 e power x plus c2 e power 3x plus e power 3x divided by 2 into x square minus x, which is the required general solution. So just go through it once. Getting?
Yes, sir.
So we'll do one more last problem based on this. Solution. So here they have given y double dash plus 2y dash plus 5. So that means d square plus 2d plus 5 into y is equal to e power minus x sine 2x. Okay, so therefore we need to find complementary solution, that means yp d square plus 2d minus plus 5 into y equal to 0, which implies auxiliary equation is m square plus 2m plus 5, which is equal to 0, which is nothing but m is equal to minus 2 plus or minus root of 4 minus 20 divided by 2. Okay, so m is equal to minus 2 plus or minus 4 minus 20, it is minus 16. So root minus 16 will get divided by 2, which is nothing but minus 2 plus or minus root 16 is 4. Under root minus is there, you have to write I divided by 2. So n will be how much? Minus 1 plus or minus 2i. Okay. So how to write the solution for this? Yc is equal to, Ravina, can you tell?
Yes, sir. C1 into e raised to minus x.
E raised to minus
Sorry, e
x.
raised to minus x into C1 cos 2x
Yes.
plus C2 sin 2x.
Sin 2x. Okay. So this is about Yc. Okay. Particular solution. So which is nothing but Yp equal to phi of d divided by f of d. Sorry, phi of x divided by f of d. Phi of x is e power minus x sine 2x divided by d square plus 2d plus 5. Okay, so this is nothing but yp is equal to, so here e power minus x you keep aside, sine 2x we have to write divided by, here sine 2x, but what is the quotient of e power x? A value will be how much?
minus 1.
So we have to write minus 1. Next, d should be replaced with d plus minus 1. So plus of minus will get minus. So you have to replace in the place of d as d minus 1. Okay. D minus 1 whole square plus 2 into d minus 1 plus 5. So this we need to apply. Yp is equal to e power x sine 2x divided by d square. So we'll get d square plus minus 2d plus 1 plus 2d minus 2 plus 5. So yp is equal to e power minus x into sine 2x divided by d square, minus 2d plus 2d get cancelled. Okay, 5 minus 2 3, so I'll get plus 4. Okay, so therefore yp is equal to e power minus x. Here sine of x quotient is how much? Sine of x quotient.
2.
So we got 2. Next to here, in the place of d, what we need to do? Sorry, in the place of d square, type 2. So in type 2, what we did? In the place of d square, we have to substitute minus a square. Okay, so here 2 is a value, that means minus 2 square you need to substitute. D square should be replaced with minus 4. Okay, so if you replace d square with minus 4, what happens? In denominator, you are getting 0. So whenever you are getting 0 in the denominator after substitution of d square value, so at that time we need to differentiate this and multiply some x in the numerator. So that means here I have to write x, here 2d. Okay. Since we are getting 0 if we substitute minus 4 in the denominator, that's why we have to differentiate in denominator and multiply x in the numerator. Okay, so finally yp will be how much? You can write x e power minus x outside divided by 2 is also there, you can write it outside. Integration of sine 2x. One by d of sine 2x.
Minus cos 2x by 2.
Minus cos 2x divided by 2. Since it is integration, integration of sine is negative cos. Therefore, yp is equal to minus x e power x cos 2x divided by 4 will get. Okay, so therefore general solution. Y is equal to yc plus yp, which is nothing but y is equal to yc is e power minus x c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x. Okay. Next here minus x e power x cos 2x divided by 4. So this is the required general solution of the given problem.
Sir, e power minus x.
This is e power minus x, right hand side. E power minus x. That's it.